Hi everyone, welcome to Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about the hosting feature of the Revit family, something like that is hosted or non-hosted, something like that. I've seen there are a couple of videos which are claiming that we can convert a hosted element into non-hosted family. And one of my friend also called me that I have to create this particular video that how we can convert this one. Firstly, let me clarify one thing right here. Orders does not provide any full and final solution that we can convert a proper hosted family into a proper non-hosted family. Why I'm adding proper word right here? Because there's one solution that our desk provides. Okay, we'll discuss that solution in this particular video. But there are a couple of methods. Those are claimed by some, some BIM specialists. So we'll discuss those ones. Yes, we can do it. I'm not saying that we cannot do it, but we should see what are pros, what are cons, and what are the conditions under which we can convert that one. Okay. So let's start one by one. So first of all, let me clarify if somebody is saying that we can convert a proper hosted family into proper non-hosted family, please cross-check that the family that he person is using is order certified or not. Why I'm saying order certified or not? For example, the A terminal. Okay, the A terminal that the best sorry the best practice of creating an A terminal is that we'll use either level based template or we'll create the ceiling will use the ceiling based templates. We can go with the face based templates as well, but these are the things. So how to choose the different kind of base templates is that it's very simple. I'll not create the family, but I'll show you from where we can choose. So if I'll go right here at the family, I want to create whatever I want to create. So right here you can see wall based, pattern based, hosted, that's hosted family, line based, and wall based, ceiling based, whatever. Okay, so these are the templates. These are the templates means if I'm creating any family like this one, metric electric fixture ceiling based. So you can see right here preview. So it is a ceiling on which I can create my family and it will be always aligned on the ceiling only. Okay, so I cannot convert after creating this family into another way or into another what we can say non-hosted family, something like that. So that is the thing. If somebody is saying that he is converting hosted family into proper non-hosted family, just cross check this one. The second point is that there are some methods, there are some technical methods, but those are not the final solution. For example, you wanted to create a non-hosted family of the given one. What you can do is that directly go in the templates that I mentioned. That is one more template, metric general model. Use that one, create a new non-hosted family, and inside that one, it'll work properly. Okay. The second method is nested method. Okay, nested method means you have uh, okay, you got my first point. I have to show you. What I'm saying is that create a family and go right here. There will be one template, metric generic template. This one, metric generic model. Open it. You can create your family right here, whatever you want. Assign the parameters and load into the project. Okay, it will work on that way. For example, air terminals are ceiling based. Okay, so what you can do, you want wall based. Normally, we are not using the diffusers for the walls, but in your case, I'm just showing you. Go in front view or whatever view because this is the side view, correct? So you can create a family right here. Let me show you or the blend. I'm not creating the parameters, but I'm showing you. Okay, so just randomly creating something top. If you wanted to know how to create a proper family, I already created a bunch of proper parametric description in a very detailed manner how to create a parametric families. Just cross check. I'll pin that one in my description or an I button. You can cross check from right there. Okay. So you'll master how to create a route family in that way. So I just randomly created a wall based diffuser kind of thing. So is it placing or not? I'm not sure. Why it is not working? There's some glitches or something like that. Cross check. Why it is not working? Because it's fine. Fees based, okay. Now load into the project. project. Okay, did I? Okay, okay, that was generic model, right? That's general. Let me change it to into that what we can say 8ml, right? Yeah, 8ml. So let me go right here, 8ml. Fine, perfect. Or into the project. Okay, yeah. I guess 8ml. Sorry, generic model category was unchecked. Maybe or there are some glitches. I'm not sure, but it was not showing earlier. Maybe some this whatever. So now it is showing correct. All those are assigned on the wall. If you see, not on the wall because it's matrix generic model as I mentioned. These are non-hosted families. We can move it anywhere wherever I want, so we can do it fine because those are non-hosted families. The second thing I have assigned in this section, so that is why it is coming vertically fine. Now the second thing is that that's one way of creating the families. If you know about this one, that's fine. Now, there's one more way, the nesting. Nesting is kind of similar thing, but you have to create a proper non-hosted template like metric general model, and you have to link your family. But the parameter thing again will come right there. So I would suggest go for the first method that I mentioned right here. Now let's come on the third point and let's brief it a little bit. What are does suggest us to do? Yeah, there is one more way to do that one. Just cross check that if your families are based on work plane or something like that, how you can cross check. Click on edit family and let me cross check right here. It's work plane based on like that. Just cross check it is checked or not. Why I'm saying this one, if I'll check it, load into the project. Now if I'll select this one, there will be options phased work plane based. Fine, I can pick, I can choose wherever I want to place like that way, but it will not because the work plane thing will come right like that way. For example, I'll select this as work plane. I'm gonna show you. Pick a plane. I'll select this one. Yeah. Now if I'll place this one, sorry, CS, it will be on this particular face. If you'll see, so that's how work plane will work. Okay, right here you can see both the options. So that's one thing, but that's not that much important thing. Now the most important thing that Erdex also suggests is that we can convert a wall-based family into face-based family. How is it? Let's see. So there are two ways we can either copy monitor thing. Copy monitor is also good. Like, let me show you. Otherwise, it'll say you did not show us something. um, for example, let me link some file right. Let's go with the electrical model base because in electrical we normally see some wall-based elements. Maybe I have those one electrical model. Fine. Okay. So, what Urda suggests is that one we can convert a wall-based family into face-based family. What is the difference between these two? For example, a family is wall-based, correct? So we cannot flatten that one on the work plane or on the level, correct? Let's see in this one. So let me first of all let's see where are our things. I have linked this one, correct? Fine. I cannot see this one. Fine, it's right there. Let me make it fine. Shaded, perfect. And let's create some walls so that we'll apply something like that. Perfect. So now let's go this panel. Okay, let me copy everything. So what is the method? Whatever you want to do, change into wall based. Sorry, into floor based. Uh, again, let me correct. Not floor based. Face based. Okay, that we can do. So I want to do play with this one. Okay. So let me copy this. First of all, let me cross check. This is the family. Right, just hosted, correct? Now let's go with the copy monitor. click on select link, select the link, copy, select the particular element. Now, so this is the only way that order says to convert a hosted family into non-hosted family. If somebody is saying that I'm converting that one, it'll work in your way. Maybe it'll work, but again, the condition is that your family should not be order certified then. Okay, so if it is order certified or you have applied the method of creating the family as per order says, then there are chances it will not work. Okay, so let me finish it. Fine, stop on train. Perfect. Now, if I'll go inside the family and right here, it's face based, correct? Some people will say delete this one, then it'll work. First of all, we cannot delete this one, and if we'll forcefully delete it, we can delete it, but there are some things. In this case, let me delete it, and then I'll show you. Uh, it'll not work in that way. Like it'll work, but I'll show you what are the precautions while using the other method, something like that. Right here, if I'll place on the wall, it'll properly placing, but there is one more way. Place on work plane, correct? We can flatten this one as well. So that's how we can also do the things. But in this way, we have deleted the what we can say phase base element. But if I'll come on another family, for example, okay, in electrical only, let's go. Oh man, yeah, this is my lighting fixture, I guess. Yeah, it's lighting fixture, fine. And I let me remove the scope box as well, section box, sorry. It's already removed. Yeah, it's already removed. So this is my family shape, correct? If I'll remove that box, that host element from this particular family, just see what happens. Okay, forcefully if I'll delete it. Now if I load into the project, my family shape is changed. So please make sure if you are, following any constraint, sorry, any method, those are suggested by someone, just implement that one in your dummy family, then go on. Otherwise, you will lose your original family. Okay. So the only method that I told you is this one, cop monitoring thing plus what we can see, checking whether it's work plane based or something like that. So we can do that way. Correct. So that's all in this video, guys. I guess you got the idea that do not, come in the trap if somebody is saying that we can convert the families. There's not an order method as of now. If it comes, I'll tell you that way. Okay. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.